Welcome to Serious Software's e-commerce training series. In this video, we will be covering how to use your V3 variables to map your e-commerce products to control. In our previous video about how to look up your variable names, we had created a simple line item here using digital prints, and we picked out our template of custom flat stock print and our material of Coro 4 mil in order for our e-commerce product to write that data to our control product. If we navigate to our products in our e-commerce admin panel, we'll select products on our left-hand side, then open the product we want to map to. In this case, we're going to use yard signs. We're going to stay on the General tab, but we're going to scroll to the bottom and look at our Control Integrations tab. When I set up this product, I already defined that I wanted it to be mapped to digital prints. However, this is an active list of all your active products inside of Control. If you needed it to map to another product, you can select it here and have it display on or integrate with that product inside of Control. In the V3 dataset, the idea is that your template name will control most of your production information when syncing from e-commerce. In our previous video, we had found our variable name was item name, and then we can pick which template we want to pull from our digital prints product. To format it, you would just type in the variable name the way we saw it in Control, so item name with the capital I and the capital M, no spacing. You would enter an equal sign, and then you would paste the value for the name of that template. So if we jump back to Control and we open up our line item, what we want to do is we want to copy and paste the template name into our variable on e-commerce. So I'm just using my keyboard shortcut of Control C to copy this into my clipboard. Once back on our e-commerce admin panel, I can paste the template name into my variable to set option. Now in our case, we also wanted to set our material type. We wanted to define our Coro 4 mil. So in order for the variable to set to know that I'm asking it to set a second variable, I'm going to hit Shift and then Enter to create a line break, move my cursor to the next line, and then type in my next variable name or copy paste my next variable name. So in this case, it was material. I'll type in my equal sign. I'll go back to Control. I will copy my part name, so my Coro 4 mil 48 by 96. I will paste it into my variable to set option, and I'll have my material set when this product integrates into Control. The variable to set option also has some merge fields that can be used to send data from the e-commerce product to your Control product directly. You'll see that under your help menu. So you have quantity, product name, description, SKU, width, height, and length. The formatting of those options are as they're displayed on the screen. So you have the two brackets in front and the two brackets behind. Very commonly with a customizable image, or maybe you're just using the same template over and over again and you don't have the height and width set on those particular items, you can use those to come over and set those values. So if I was going to have e-commerce send the height and width to me in the integration process, I'm going to hit Shift Enter to create my line break. Then I'm going to type in my variable value, height unit small, and make sure to get my punctuation and capitalization all in the correct order. Then I'm going to hit my equal sign, and I'm going to create my two brackets, and then I'm going to tell it to map to e-commerce's height variable and finish it off with my other two brackets. I'll do the same thing with my width variable. So width unit small equals, open my brackets, type in width, and close my brackets. So once I save these changes, when this product is used on the e-commerce storefront, it'll create a line item for digital prints. Then it'll pull in the template name of custom flat print, select my material of Coro 4 mil 48 by 96, and then set my height and width based on the dimensions that I have provided here under the product attributes for e-commerce. At this point, you can turn the integration for your storefront on, add the item to your basket, and check out with the item on the basket. It'll create the order or the line item inside of control. You can check your mapping, make sure all the production information that you were expecting is linked up and ready for use. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to us either on the e-commerce Q&A session. You can submit a support request through your help menu here at the top, or you can email us at ecommerce@serious.com. Thanks. Have a great day.